video. Yep.
Very good afternoon. Myself Chef Sonu from Bangalore. I hope you're good. Having healthy meal in this difficult time. So today I have very unique and very easy to make homemade recipe. Bhutte ke seek kebab. You can make it at home as well. You use of very homemade and homemade ingredient. You can use whatever you have available in a home. You can use cumin, chilies, lemon, breadcrumbs. We also use the corn flour, but instead of that you can use the mashed potato, black pepper, turmeric powder, some black salt, and you can use the amul ghee.
Voice come here it seems.
And you can see.
Speak loud.
You can see I used most of the amul product to make this unique recipe. So let's start. First I will add some amul ghee for
Please loud voice, chef.
for the saute the corn. You can see this time requirement of the most immunity booster things in a we should add in our meal ginger.
Sound not clear.
Not clear. Somebody is messaging.
You should be nice loud.
Okay. We should use more immunity booster things in your meal ginger, turmeric, lemon, some chilies. So that's why I decided to make this thing today. So I will start my recipe first using I'll add some cumin seeds. This is the basically Sahi Jeera. You can use instead of this regular cumin, whatever you have in home,
Not able to
basic
listen.
Jeera. Somebody is messaging. Okay. And I'll add some green chili in it.
Due to mask, it's less audible it seems. Remove
Some
mask.
ginger, because we cannot mask this time. This is also effective.
Please keep a mic it seems. Loud please.
So as you seeing this, I'll add some ginger in it. Basically, this time everybody like to have bhutta in this season, because this is the rainy season. So mostly people like to have nice bhutta in this time. So you can make this thing in a unique way. Whenever you're no one not able to go outside and enjoy the meal in a no one is liking this time restaurant food. So you can make nice using of the amul product. You can make nice crispy bhutte ke seek. So as you seeing, I use the fresh corn. Just blanch it for the while. Either you can saute it.
Loud. Louder please.
Yeah. Just saute the corn by adding of some salt. Now I am adding some turmeric powder. I said some
Hello, sir.
masala, some black pepper.
Chef is following Modi ji rules very well. Chef is following Modi ji rules very well.
Yeah.
कुछ सुना नहीं दे रहा, please can't
So
share.
you can, I will add some mint in it, fresh mint in it. Just saute it till your sweet corn tender.
They're saying no voice, can't help it.
You can add some mashed potato in it, some breadcrumbs for binding. See, my things is ready. I will keep it aside. I have mixture of all these things. You can see. Just let it cool down and you can grind it in a mixture. So this final and unique thing.
Dish name please.
This name. This is the bhutte ki crispy bhutte ki seek kebab.
Loud.
We are making.
What corn you're using, fresh or sweet?
I am using the fresh corn in it because this is the season we can get it easily. So that's why I am using the fresh corn for the making my dish. So One more thing I would like to add in
Mic
this,
it.
like unique thing, you can put your mixture, any iron rod, whatever you have easily available in your house, you can put in the sigdi just for the cooking. You can stuff with the Amul cheese, strip in it, so
Just
it's
name it.
become be like more cheesy. So this thing like kids like very much, because this time we are not
For
just-
binding, what flour you used?
I use like bread crumbs, like breadcrumb, potato. You can use for the bindings.
Do we boil and grind fresh corn?
No, just I saute it, because if you boil it, like natural taste, goes out, drain out. So I just, take it all the things, and I just, saute with all the ingredient, as I mentioned, with the
Chef
more,
louder, please.
yes, more like things like turmeric, ginger, more immunity things, because this time, according to time, we have required like more immunity booster things like turmeric, ginger, chili, lemon. I used in it. So as you
We want to see the ingredients.
yes,
Can you just name them, please?
this I have sahi jeera, turmeric
Okay, louder.
powder, ginger, black pepper, some chaat masala, garam masala, mashed potato, breadcrumb, lemon. For winding as well, you can use
Chickpea flour.
roasted chickpea flour, some chili, salt, black salt. I used. You can see mixture become like this. Try not to be watery either, because your seed will not come out in a good shape.
It seems.
Yes. Sigdi here, as you see, it's roasting nicely.
Okay.
Any orders for lunch?
Chef,
Any pizza orders for lunch?
pizza, no, nothing.
Yes. So things is ready. So this is the final time for the platings. You can have very nice crispy bhutte ke seekh kebab in a very unique, very easy to make recipe with the ingredient whatever you have available at the home.
Yeah, they want it like a recap, like
Okay.
soon, and little very loud.
Okay.
Because of the mask, they can't hear it seems.
Actually, due to I use like fresh corn. You
Alright.
see, I use the fresh corn.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't boil it. I just saute in a heated oil with some ginger, chilies, salt, lemon juice, and all the things I add in it.
Once mixture is ready, we need to grind it. Yes.
Yes, we have to grind it.
Roasting, how to do?
Roasting.
You sauteed, yeah.
Yes, I sauteed and then mix it in a mixer grinder. You can mix it as well in a mixie, but we use for the commercial things, we make in a bulk production. So just you can mix it in a grinder. Yes. Yes. Anything?
It's just
Finish.
voice louder, like
Finish kar de.